Hi guys, so in this video we are going to build our team's member section. So just hop up over here inside the index.html file and I'm going to comment it out, team section, start it, and then after that let me add a section of team, and then after that I wanted to add h1 over here, not h1. Basically we cannot use h1 all the time. So meet our team members, meet our team, and that's enough. Okay, then after that what you need to do, just say I want to have some, let's say 14. Okay, some paragraph. Okay, and after that let's copy this particular class team member and comment it out, paste it. I wanted to give the width around 85%, margin from top to bottom around 50 pixel, then auto, then h1, font size must be, let's say, dollar primary font family, primary font size, and font family must be primary font family, and then we have paragraph tag, font size, then what we wanted to do, primary font size, para font size, and that's enough. So let me see how it will gonna look like. Okay, this is meet our team member section, and now let's say text align must be center. Okay, so that's it, that's how it is. So now it is looking good, and in both of the things are same. Okay, and the next thing I wanted to do is font weight. Okay, font weight is also important. So let's say font weight, and let's say primary font weight. Okay, and that's it, primary font weight. And yeah, this is the font weight. And let me add some of other things. First I wanted to add a row. Okay, and inside this row, team column. Okay, I wanted to use a column because I'm gonna target this, and inside this column what I want, first thing I want a image. Okay, then I wanted some details. Okay, so after this image I wanted to have a div with the details class. Okay, and inside it let me add some h2, let's say Helena. Okay, let's say add some paragraph, one paragraph, let's say investor, and after that what I wanted to do, I wanted to add some font or some icons. So before adding any of these things, let me have some image. Okay, so basically I'm already having some images. So let's say I wanted to have this particular image. Okay, these three images over here. So I'm gonna copy it, user 1, user 2, user 3, and I wanted to paste it over here. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to use the same image. Basically we are already having this image. Okay, user 1, user 2, and user 3. So img slash user 1. Okay, and let's say I wanted to replicate it. So replicate it first, and we will gonna add some of other things. Okay, so from here to here, 1 and 2. Okay, 3 times only. After replicating it, let me see how it will gonna look like. So yeah, it is looking like this. Okay, and that's it. So basically After adding this, what we need to do, actually we need some of the icons over here. So basically I wanted to add Facebook, Instagram and other icons. So before doing any of those things, let me show you that how we can take it to the I wanted to take it horizontally first. Okay, so in order to do that, what do you need to do? First I want to target the column. Okay, so basically let me target this column. So before targeting the column, let's target this flex justify content space between. Okay, and that's it. After adding this, it will gonna look like in this way. Okay, and then what I wanted to do, if I remove this, it will gonna do like this, do something like this. Okay, and let's say if you wanted to have it to the center, you can also do that. Okay, and like align items center, you can also do it in this way, and you may place some margin if you want to have in your column. So let's say I wanted to have it like a flex basis. I wanted to give it like around 35% flex basis, so it will gonna expand little bit. Okay, and this is how you can easily do that. Okay, and let me say like on the top of it, I wanted to have some margin. So basically I can give the margin over here, not anywhere else. So margin from the top to bottom, left to right, so let's say 50 pixel and then auto, and that's it. Okay, so here you can see, not from the bottom, not top, I can give the margin from the bottom. Okay, let's say 40 pixel, not 50 pixel. 40 is enough, and that's it. Yeah, this is how we are getting this. Okay, and let's give some margin from top to bottom, let's say 20 pixel auto, and it is also good. Okay, so after adding it, yep, so here you can see, yeah, we are getting 20 pixel model margin, and yeah, that's it. So basically 20 pixel margin from top to bottom. Okay, so let me add some icons over here. Okay, so in order to add your icons, what you need to do, I'll show you. Basically here you can see, this is the Google font icon CDN. We already added a CDN over here. Okay, so in order to add it, you just go and search for Google icon, like font awesome icons. Okay, and here you will gonna find it. Like I wanted to have social icons. Okay, social icons, I wanted to have all social icons, 1 2 3, and what I'm missing, let's me LinkedIn. Okay, so this will gonna give me LinkedIn icon. Yeah, this is the LinkedIn icon we are getting. So basically what we need to do, we just need to copy this particular thing, come up over here, and let me see first whether it is working or not. Okay, so yeah, we are getting this icon. Okay, and the most important thing that we need to make sure that this, we do not need to add this paragraph, because inside this paragraph will gonna give some space over here. So basically in order to add the margin, you just need to give the margin over here, not anywhere else. Okay, so I wanted to give the margin from top to bottom. Okay, let's say 30 pixel. Okay, 30 pixel, then auto, and that's it. That's enough, because it will gonna give some margin from these two. Okay, yeah. After that here you can see we are having Twitter. Let's paste Twitter over here. Okay, Twitter is already, we have pasted Twitter. Then another icon is also Twitter. Okay, we don't need it. Another icon is Facebook, so Facebook. Okay, and then we have LinkedIn. Okay, and what I wanted to have, that is only Instagram. Okay, Instagram. So Instagram is also important. So yeah, let me add this particular thing. So let's copy this Instagram icon as well. We copied it, and yeah, that's it. So basically I wanted to add these icon into a class. Okay, so icons, not icon. Okay, and inside this div I wanted to paste it. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, here you can see that we inside this detail we are having this, and inside this icon we are having all of these things. Okay, so after that what I wanted to do, basically I'm gonna copy whole thing from here to here. Okay, and yes, copy it and remove, just paste it. Okay, copy it and paste it in this way. And yeah, we can change the name of these peoples and also images. So second, and this will gonna third. Okay, username 3, and let me see that how it will gonna look like after adding all of these things. So here you can see, yeah, we are having these things. Okay, and basically font, this icon is not looking that much good, so I need to have some another icon. Basically you can change, like you can change your this icon. So I'm gonna continue with this. Okay, right now, or let's change it. Okay, do not worried about it. So icons, oh sorry, Instagram. Okay, so this is the icon we want. Okay, so copy it and paste it. I wanted to paste it over here as well, over here 3 times. Okay, 1 2 and 3. So let me remove it and just paste it. Okay, and now we will gonna have this icon as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So yeah, now we have to change some of the things. So inside this row we are having this column, and every column we are having the details of this particular things. Okay, so let me add details over here. And what I wanted to have, first I wanted to have box shadow. Okay, box shadow 0 0 0 0 15 0. Okay, 0 0 0 15 0, and then red green blue alpha, and let's say RGBA. Okay, and yep. So basically after adding this particular thing, here you can see that we are having box shadow inside the details. Okay, let me see that why it is not working. So inside the team column we have this details, okay, and inside these details we are having all of these things. So details class inside the column is ending over here, and this is the details class. Hopefully this will gonna work. Like, okay, we have to add pixel over here, not okay. Yeah, now it is working. Okay, and the first thing we need to do is to make sure that this will, you know, this will have some width first. Okay, width might be, let's say 80%. Okay, 80% width is enough. Okay, and after that what I wanted to do, like text align must be center. Okay, so now sorry, width 80% and margin 0 pixel, then auto. Okay, yeah, so now we are getting all of these things. Okay, and let's add some margin from top to bottom as well. So let me add like around 8 pixel. Okay, 8 pixel margin from top to bottom. Okay, and yeah, after that I wanted to remove its intensity, decrease its intensity. So let me add it like 10 pixel. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So basically after it what I wanted to do, first thing I wanted to decrease its intensity. So let me do it like this way, so it will gonna reflect. Yeah, so now it is looking beautiful, and I wanted to add some padding first. So let me add like 20 pixel from top to bottom, left to right padding. Okay, so now it is looking good. Okay, not that much good, but yeah, I wanted to have padding around 15 pixel. And then after that, after adding this padding, what I wanted to have, basically I'll gonna target this I will gonna target our heading as well. So let's target our heading, details, then h2, and then paragraph tag. Okay, so let me target our h2. Font size I wanted to have around 1.3 rem, and then font family I wanted to have, let's say, primary font family. Okay, let me add this font family. Okay, and after that what I wanted to have, I wanted to add some font size on paragraph, let's say 0.8 rem. Okay, and after adding this, let me see how it will gonna look like. Okay, this is looking not bad, but let me improve it. 1 rem, and that's it. And after that what I wanted to do, basically I'll gonna target the icons. Okay, and I'll gonna change it. So target the icons first, and let me give some margin. Okay, let's say first thing I wanted to add some padding. Okay, so from top to bottom, let's say 5 pixel, and left to right let's say 5 pixel as well. Okay, so now it is looking good. After that I wanted to add some color. Okay, FAB color must be different, so let's say RGBA, but I wanted to add it when someone hover on it. Okay, so hover and add this color, and once someone hover on it, you have to transform it and scale it. Scale 1.1, 1.1.3, okay, not 1.1. and now it is scaling like this, okay. And what else I wanted to do, basically I wanted to have some transition time, let's say 1 second, okay. So now it is looking like this, it will gonna later come up like this, okay. And the third thing I wanted to do, have the cursor must be pointer, okay. So yeah, that's it. So it is looking like this, and this is beautiful, okay. So this is how you can easily create this particular thing. And okay, and you, if you wanted to have your box shadow after let's say, suppose that this is the box shadow, okay. And if you wanted to have it on hover, you can also do that. You can change the typography, and you can come and paste all of these things like in this way. So if you wanted to have this box shadow once we hover on it, so that is also good. So yeah, this is also, you can also do that. So yeah, it is basically this is looking good. And after adding it, let's say cursor pointer must be important, okay. So yeah, that's it. So this is how you can easily add this. And yeah, it is looking good right now. Transition also you can say like 0.5 second, okay. And yeah, so that's it. This is how you can easily do that. So thanks for watching, guys, and into the next tutorial we will gonna add our contact page, and we will also gonna build our footer section. But before going anywhere, let me show you, this is also a mobile friendly thing, because we already added row. So this will also gonna look the same, yeah. So here you can see that this is also looking very beautiful. Your your things are looking beautiful, and everything is aligned, nothing is happening. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you see in the next tutorial. Bye bye, take care.